Hey there and welcome to GVM Studios. My name is Katie and I'm usually located 2 doors down over at GVM Shops, but today I'm here to give you a virtual tour of our studio space. Our studio is located off of 4970 East Colfax on the corner of Colfax and Elm Street, 2 doors down from the GVM Shops. We offer over 1,000 square foot of space for any type of event. These events could include any type of social event, any type of video and photography production, or meetings and workshops. You can book your event at any time of day or night, as long as it's not during our weekly class lineup Monday through Thursday. So this is our lobby space. This is how we keep the lobby space set up. However, upon arrival, if you'd like to move any of the furniture or collapse these walls down, you have the option to do so. Coming over to this CBD display case, our sister shop 2 doors down called Good Vibe Mafia Shops creates and manufactures our Good Vibes CBD line. You and your guests will receive 15% off any CBD product 2 doors down at our shop. Over here, we offer all of our cleaning supplies as well as different items to use to sanitize our area. We have our GVM Studios housekeeping list to ensure that we keep a clean and respectful space for all of our members and clients included. We offer complimentary water with the option to have hot or cold water, as well as a space to use hand sanitizer. Coming into the studio space, we have markers all along the floor to ensure a quality experience. If you want to have your students socially distanced, they may stand on these place markers. Within this box is located the remotes that control all of the LED lights that are located along all of these walls and located in the front of the studio. Amenities include our wireless Bluetooth speaker that can be hooked up directly through your phone. And we also offer free Wi-Fi for any of our guests and their clients. We have a bathroom located in the back, and we also offer heat and air conditioning upon request. For any questions or comments, you can reach us over at the shop and call us at 720-535-8284. You can also send us a quick DM over on Instagram at GVM Studios, or email our director, Melissa, at goodvibemafia.com for any questions. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in our space soon.